My video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove fake Windows support alerts that quote this fake Windows support number. The number is +1 866 992 5553. If you see these pop-ups, you need to understand that they are totally fake and obviously deceptive, so do not trust them. Such pop-ups are absolutely fake. There is no connection between these pop-ups and Windows or Microsoft, so do not trust these fake messages and just leave this page. I would also recommend you to research your device with Combo Cleaner, and the best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install the program, and then once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching your system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and effectively eliminate all other threats which could still possibly remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.